Hello, techies and project ninjas. Welcome back to another episode of KaKaCellphone, Bite-Sized Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of project management with a focus on Kanban boards. And who better to join us than our tech genius, KaKaComputer? Welcome back.
Thank you, KaKaCellphone. I'm thrilled to talk about Kanban boards today. It's a game changer for organizing tech projects. Let's make it fun and insightful.
Kanban boards seem to be everywhere these days. For our listeners who might be new to it, what exactly is a Kanban board?
A Kanban board is a visual tool that helps teams manage workflows effectively. It breaks projects into stages, represented by columns like to do, in progress, and done. Tasks are represented as cards that move through these columns, providing a clear picture of what's happening at any moment. Think of it as the ultimate productivity board.
Sounds simple, but I bet there's more to it than meets the eye. Why do Kanban boards work so well for tech projects?
Great question. Kanban boards bring visibility and focus. For tech teams, it's crucial to know what's being worked on, where bottlenecks are, and how to prioritize tasks. Plus, it's adaptable. Whether you're in software development, QA, or DevOps, it fits seamlessly into agile methodologies.
Visibility and adaptability, that's a powerful combo. Now, for our listeners managing tech projects, what's the first step to setting up a Kanban board?
Step 1 is understanding your workflow. Break your project down into stages that reflect your process. For example, in software development, you might have columns like backlog, to do, in progress, code review, and done. Then, assign tasks to these stages as cards. Tools like Trello, Jira, or even physical boards work perfectly.
Speaking of tools, do you have a favorite Kanban tool, and why?
Tough choice. Trello is fantastic for simplicity and flexibility. Jira, on the other hand, is ideal for teams already using agile practices. And for teams who like physical boards, nothing beats the tactile feel of sticky notes. The key is choosing what works best for your team size and complexity.
Options for every type of team. Now, let's talk pitfalls. What common mistakes should teams avoid when using Kanban boards?
One big mistake is overcrowding the board with too many tasks in the in-progress column. This leads to confusion and decreased productivity. Another is not updating the board regularly. A stale board becomes useless. And finally, skipping retrospectives. Use feedback to improve your workflow continuously.
So keeping it clean and current is key. Before we wrap up, any pro tips to get the most out of Kanban boards?
Absolutely. First, set work in progress limits to avoid overload. Second, make your board a team ritual. Review it daily in stand-ups. And third, don't hesitate to experiment with custom columns or labels to suit your unique projects. Kanban is flexible, so make it work for you.
Fantastic tips, KaKaComputer. Thanks for sharing your insights. And to our listeners, don't forget to follow us on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube for more wisdom on tech and productivity. Catch you next time on KaKaCellphone, Bite-Sized Tech.